Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add a payment method, change a payment method or remove a payment method from DoorDash application. So in order to begin, what you'll have to first do is open the DoorDash. Once you're in the application, what you have to do is click on the Me option, which is present on the bottom right corner. And from here you will have to click on the Settings option. And now you can see the second option, payments. You have to click on payment, and now you can see multiple options. You can select PayPal, Afterpay, or credit card or debit card. So these are the available payment methods offered by DoorDash. You can click any of the payment methods, and now if I select PayPal, you will have to enter your PayPal email and connect it with your PayPal account. And Afterpay, it's the same thing. You will have to connect your email and with the DoorDash account that's being linked with Afterpay account as well. And for the credit card, you can easily enter the number of your credit card and select the country as well and click on save. So that's how we can easily that's how we can easily add a payment method, remove or change a payment method on the DoorDash application. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.